Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It holds its shape, and one major trick is that after you make your dough, you'll roll it out, cut out your cookie shapes, and then put them on a lined baking sheet and only then put them in the freezer for 10 minutes, then straight into the oven after. No cooling and then rolling. You roll, cut, and then cool.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Add an egg. A greater ratio of fat, butter, margarine, shortening, etc. to flour will result in a more tender cookie. Start by adding just a 1/4 cup additional to your recipe. Melting the butter before adding it to the sugar will also up the chew factor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Parchment paper or silpat. Baking your cookies on a baking sheet that has been greased may make sugar cookies spread. Use a piece of parchment paper or a silpat when you bake and it can help the cookies hold their shape.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Wait a couple minutes to let the cookies cool before removing them to cool completely. They're still malleable when fresh out of the oven, so don't jump the gun. The cookies will simply slip right off the parchment paper.
Take our lead.
The most common reason that cookies are tough is that the cookie dough was mixed too much. When flour is mixed into the dough, gluten begins to form. Gluten helps hold baked goods together, but too much gluten can lead to tough cookies.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When added to dough, baking soda releases a carbon dioxide gas which helps leaven the dough, creating a soft, fluffy cookie. Baking soda is generally used in recipes that contain an acidic ingredient such as vinegar, sour cream or citrus.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.